Today I'm going to teach you how to display uploaded file names in Salesforce Flow. This is incredibly useful when you want users to see exactly which files they've uploaded before, submitting a form, giving them that extra confirmation and peace of mind. Let's start by navigating to Setup. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface and click on it from the drop-down menu that appears. Select Setup. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can manage all your Salesforce settings and customizations. Once you're in Setup, you'll see a quick find box on the left side of the screen. Go ahead and type flows into that search box. This will filter the setup options and bring up flow-related settings much faster than scrolling through everything manually. From the search results, click on Flows. This opens the flow management area where you can view all existing flows or create new ones. Now click on the New Flow button to start building your flow from scratch. Salesforce will present you with several flow types to choose from. For this tutorial, select Screen Flow. Screen flows are perfect when you need user interaction because they allow you to create forms and display information to users as they progress through different screens. You'll now see the Flow Builder interface. Click the plus icon to add a new element, then select Screen from the options. This creates a new screen where users will interact with your flow. In the label field, type Upload Screen. This label helps you identify the screen when you're building more complex flows with multiple screens. Now let's build the content that users will see. In the screen palette on the left, you'll find various components you can add. Drag the text component onto your screen. Set its label to upload your files here. This provides clear instruction to your users about what they need to do on this screen. Next, drag the file upload component and place it directly below the text component you just added. This is where the actual magic happens, the file upload functionality. Now we need to configure this file upload component properly. Set the API name to file upload. This is the technical name that Salesforce uses to reference this component behind the scenes. For the file upload label, enter choose files. This is what users will see on the button. Here's the important part, set allow multiple files to true. This enables users to upload more than one file at a time, which makes the process much more efficient. Here comes the critical step that makes the file names appear. Drag another component called display text and place it below the file upload component. This is what will show users the names of the files they've uploaded. Configure this display text component carefully. Set the API name to uploaded files. Now in the value field, this is where we connect everything together. Type in open curly brace exclamation mark file upload dot file in names close curly brace. What this does is create a dynamic reference to the file names that users upload. As soon as they select files, the names will automatically populate in this display text area. It's a real-time confirmation for them. Once you've configured everything, click Done to close the screen configuration. Now it's time to save your work. Click the Save button. Give your flow a meaningful name, type File Upload Display. Then click Save again to confirm. Before we make this live, we should test it to ensure everything works as expected. Click the Debug button, then click Run. This opens a test environment where you can upload some files and verify that their names appear correctly in the display text area. Go ahead and select a few files, then check if the names show up below the file upload component. If they do, you've successfully configured everything. Finally, once you're satisfied with the testing, click the Activate button. This makes your flow live and ready to be used in your Salesforce org. Your users can now upload files and immediately see which files they've selected, creating a much better user experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.